Well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to say many thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala was given us blessing and mercy. And also, I don't forget to say many thanks to our lecturer, Laude Idrus Hamid SPD MPD was given us the time to sell my proposal. The title Improving the Student Vocabulary Mastery Through Total Physical Response Method or TPR at the second grade of Junior High School 1 Iwamendaan. I am Irda Luciana. In this chapter 1, background, and chapter 2, review of literature, and the last chapter, research methodology. The chapter 1, background of the research. English is an international language. It's used almost all over the world. English plays an important role as communication language used in many sectors of life such as trading, bilateral relationship, science, technology, and many others. In learning of foreign language, vocabulary plays an important role. It is one element that links the language skills of speaking, listening, reading, and writing all together. And vocabulary is one English soft skill that must be taught to the student because vocabulary has an important role for all language skill. Vocabulary is the most important element in language learning. According to Hamby 1995, vocabulary is a total number of words known to person or used in particular subject and etc. So this method enhances the student to improve their English vocabulary mastery independently. They can learn new words by terms after wait for the first. Objective of the research. The objective of the research is to improve student vocabulary mastery by using total physical response in second grade of Junior High School 1 Iwamendaan. The next significance of the research. The research is expected to give some benefits for the student, the teacher, and the other researcher. For student, for the teacher, and for other researchers. The next scope of the research. In this research, the researchers limit the problem focus on the improve the student vocabulary in English teaching learning. It is limited to the teaching vocabulary through total physical response at the second grade of Junior High School 1 Iwamendaan. The vocabularies that will be focused on recount text or verb. The next definition of key terms. To clarify and explain the term to avoid the ambiguity in this study, the definition is as below. 1. Improving student vocabulary mastery. The definition, the word improving, it's mean the process to make better in quality or make more productive to become better. The vocabulary mastery is the knowledge or ability to control understanding the new words in language. And 2. Total physical response or TPR is a language teaching method built around the coordination of speech and action. It attempts to teach language through physical or activity. And the next chapter, review of related research. Previews of related research. In this previous research, Fitri Agustin 2014, her research was about improving student vocabulary mastery through total physical response, and she conducted classroom action research and only focused on noun, while in this research, the researcher will focus on verb. Then, Nofra Ilwana research he conducted experimental design, whereas the design of this research is classroom action research. Furthermore, the sameness of this research with both research is the method. The next definition of vocabulary. Vocabulary is the most important component language because it affects the 4 language skills that are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. The definition of vocabulary is clear enough that is almost case of human life. The use set of words. The use of words itself differentiated according to the field, person, class, or profession. It means that beggar use set of words to ask for some money to raise people. The teacher also use set of words when their student command. The writer has opinion that vocabulary is one aspect of language which is important in learning language because vocabulary carries meaning which is used in communication. And the next, total physical response. The definition of total physical response, the principle of total physical response, the objective of total physical response, the procedure of total physical response, and the last, the strengths and weakness of total physical response. The last chapter is research methodology. Design of the research. This study will conducted by applying classroom action research. The art problem appeared in Teaching and Learning Process. Burns 2010 said that action research is related to reflective practice. Furthermore, Burns explained that action research involves taking a self-reflective, critical, and systematic approach to exploring your own teaching context. According to Burns 2010, the purpose of conducting action research is to intervene in a deliberate way in the problematic situation in order to bring about change and even better improvement in practice. The next, setting and subject of the research. Setting of the research. The research will be implementing at Junior High School 1 Iwamenda. This school is located at Ladahai, Kolaka. The reason for researcher chose this school because the students have problem in vocabulary. And subject of the research. The research involved the English teacher and the student at second grade of Junior High School 1 Iwamenda. This class consists of 24 students. It is based on the researcher observation that the student of this class does not have enough knowledge of vocabulary and they don't have interest in learning vocabulary. The next, instrument of the research. Observation is technique for collecting data about research and student activities in teaching and learning process. The observation sheet is given based on reality in the classroom. The type of observation which is used in this research is direct observation. Vocabulary test in use by the researcher and it does to know the student vocabulary assessment. The student scoring test will use vocabulary schema scoring. Multiple choice is from the vocabulary test that used during the process of learning. The last technique of data collection. Observation, one of the instrument used to collect data in this study in observation set. Observation is a way of gathering information about teaching and learning process. It will apply in observing student participation and also investigation teachers' teaching activity. The next, data vocabulary test. The test utilized in this research will taken at the end of every cycle to measure student understanding in vocabulary. It aims to know how students comprehend the meaning of the words they have already learned. And I think enough from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.